Happy Friday, kindergartners. Let's get ready to do our math routines. Make sure you get your whiteboard paper or just a piece of paper to write the equations, and also your secret code cards. Are we ready? This was from yesterday. I'm going to put it aside for now. We move a sticker down. Did we make a new 10 group? We did! So here's the question. How many more do we need to make 10? There are actually 2 answers. If you look, we have that 10 group. We don't need any more to finish the 10 group. But numbers don't stop. We are going to make another 10 group. So you can think 0 more to make 10 or 10 more to make 10. Now let's go ahead and check our equation down here. This is still 100, still 10, still 10, not 9. So I'm going to erase that and put in a 10. Now remember, whatever we do on one side of the equation, we have to do on the other to balance the equation. But if I do that, I'm going to do something wrong. Well, I'm going to try it anyway. So I erase the 9. I'm going to erase the 9 right here too. And if I wrote 10 here, write 10 here. That doesn't look right, does it? Let's get out our secret code cards and see where my mistake was. All right, first we need to get out the 100. 100. Got it. Okay, I had my 2 10 groups. I had the 9. I don't need the 9 anymore. I'm going to change it to 10. All right. A 10. Where's my mistake? These go right on top of each other. So 2 10s and 1 more 10 is going to be 3 10s. Let's go ahead and put that right here too. Here are my 10 groups and 3 10 groups. 3 groups of 10 is 30. Here, I forgot about something called place value. Place value is where the hundreds go, where the 10s go, and where the extra ones go. Here, when I put the 2 10s and the 1 10, I wasn't paying attention to where those numbers were supposed to go. It's not. Do you know what this number would be? 1,210. We have not done math routines 1,210 times. Well, I might have, not you. So I'm going to write that number the correct way. 1 group of 100, 3 10 groups, and so far, no extra ones. I want you to build it with your own secret code cards. There are no extra ones, so you need the 100 and the 30. And let's count by 10s. Shake 'em out, put 'em up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. Phew, I remembered to stop. I almost kept going there. Now we have our standard equation. 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 130. We could also write it 100 plus 30 equals 130. Now we're going to write the partner equation. Remember, the partner equation starts with the whole number first. And I told you to get your whiteboard out, and I forgot to get mine. So I'm going to just do the best I can with the whiteboard. It's on the paper too. It's a little floppy. That's okay. Sometimes we just have to do the best with what we have. So I'm going to write 130. 130 equals, and now there's really only one way to take it apart today. 100 plus 30. 100 plus 30. I want you to write that partner equation. 130 equals 100 plus 30. And let's get out those secret code cards and make it nice and big. 130 equals 100 plus 30. 130. Next, we are going to get our 120 chart out. So I have to pause to grab it, and I want you to pause and grab yours too. All right, so I have my rainbow 120 chart that we've already completed, and I have my new 120 chart that we just started. If you went ahead and colored more of them in, guess what? No problem. We're going to make do with what we've got. It's okay. And guess what? If I have this chart in my house, guess who doesn't have it at their house? Raina. That's right. So Raina is also going to do the best with what she has. Today, to figure out what number we're going to start counting with, I found my counters, and I'm going to drop this counter on the chart. I'm going to try to block it, make sure it stays on here, and then we're going to count forward from that number. So let's see what I land on. Fell off. Let me try again. Ooh, let me hold it up. You can see 64. All right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Freeze. 61, 62, 63, 64. All right. I want to get hold of that spot. Can you find 64 on yours? Let's count forward. You know what? Let's count forward all the way to the end. Here we go. Oh, I forget what comes after 64. Sometimes it helps me to get a running start. That means back up and start at the beginning of the counting pattern, like where it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Join me. 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114. That's in line from where we started. Let's keep going. 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120 on our 120 chart. Now, this is Friday, and there are 5 school days usually in a week. So since we started on Monday, on my chart, remember, if you've gone more, no problem, that's okay. You can still use it to count. I'm going to color in one more. So I'm going to outline it, down, jump, forward, jump, and close, and color it in. And I'm just going to really hope that this video keeps recording. And you will see we finished a 5 group. 5 more, and we will make a 10 group on this 120 chart. All right, let's get ready to do our finger freezes. All right, it's the last part of our math routine with our finger freeze finger patterns. Remember, it's Friday, so next week, you're not going to be doing math in English. You're going to be doing math in Spanish with Reina and Cindy. And Emily and I will be doing literacy in English. So I'm really excited to do something a little bit different with you next week. Here we go. Let's do 1 through 10 really fast. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 is 10 and 1. 12 is 10 and 2. 13 is 10 and 3. 14 is 10 and 4. 15 is 10 and 5. 16 is 10 and 6. 17 is 10 and 7. 18 is 10 and 8. 19 is 10 and 9. 20 and 10. They both go on that side. Now, next, you are going to learn how to play a really fun game called Make 10. Have fun, and I would love to see pictures or videos of you doing these math routines or playing any of these games. See you soon!